Okay, let's dive into this. If you've ever thought about building your own algorithmic trading system from the ground up, you know the code isn't actually the hardest part. It's figuring out where on earth to start. The internet is just absolutely flooded with fragmented code, random advice, and super dense academic papers. But what if you had one master index, the ultimate cheat sheet? Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're unpacking the awesome systematic trading GitHub repository by Papers with Backtest. It's literally the blueprint for assembling your very own trading machine. Let's get building. Just to give you a sense of the sheer scale of what we're looking at here, check out this number, over 10,100 stars on GitHub. Now, if you're in the open source world, you know that star count is a massive stamp of approval. It's huge. This isn't just some random weekend project. It's a highly vetted, community-driven blueprint. Thousands of quant developers, researchers, and traders rely on this as their go-to foundational reference.
So here's our roadmap for this explainer. Think of this as a builder's journey. We'll start with the blueprint, move into educating the quant, open up the quant toolkit, look at some proven strategies, and finally wrap up with starting your build.
All right, part one, the blueprints. Before we start bolting software components together, let's define exactly what kind of raw materials we have at our disposal. This repository is honestly staggering. We're not just looking at a few snippets of code here. We've got 97 specific libraries and packages for research and live trading, plus over 40 strategies backed by serious institutional and academic papers. Add to that 55 curated books and 23 expert videos. It's the whole shebang, a complete ecosystem giving you the theory, the software, the data, and the testing environments all in one perfectly organized spot. Moving right along to part two, educating the quant. Because before you wire up a single data feed or write any execution logic, you need a rock-solid theoretical architecture. I absolutely love this featured book title, Trading Evolved. Anyone Can Build Killer Trading Strategies in Python by Andreas F. Klenow. I mean, doesn't that perfectly capture the mindset you need for this? Systematic trading used to be this giant secret, locked behind the heavy doors of Wall Street hedge funds with their massive supercomputers. But now, thanks to open source Python and lists like this, a focused learner working from a laptop has access to that exact same foundational logic. So the crucial point is, you really have to start with the right education. And the repository curates its 55 books into incredibly useful learning paths. Need programming basics? Boom. Yves Helpich's Python for Algorithmic Trading is right there. Want to push into cutting-edge AI? It points you straight to Marcos Lopez de Prado's masterclass, Advances in Financial Machine Learning. It even covers market microstructure and high-frequency trading. You're basically getting a university-grade quant finance curriculum mapped out for you. Which brings us to part three, the quant toolkit. It's time to open up the workshop and look at the actual software components we're going to use to build our engine. So how do we put this together? Well, every quant system is basically a highly specific assembly line. Step one, you need data. The repo sets you up with tools like YFinance to easily pull Yahoo Finance data, or OpenBB for deep investment research. Then, step two, backtesting. You feed that historical data into a framework to see how your strategy would have actually performed in the past. And finally, step three, if it's profitable, you execute. The cheat sheet lists broker APIs like CCXT for crypto or IB_InSync for interactive brokers, letting your Python code place real trades on autopilot. Now, here's one of the most important architectural decisions you're going to make for your backtester. The repository splits these into two main camps. On one side, we have event-driven frameworks like VNPy and Zipline. These simulate the real world tick by tick. Your code reacts as if it were trading live, super accurate, but it can be a bit slow to compute. On the flip side, you have vector-based frameworks like VectorBT. These leverage powerful data libraries like Pandas and NumPy to crunch massive arrays of data all at once. We're talking testing thousands of strategy variations in mere seconds. The beauty here is that you get the best of both worlds. But hey, we're not stopping at traditional stats. This toolkit goes straight into the future of finance. It curates absolute top-tier machine learning resources, giving you the parts to add AI to your engine. For example, it highlights Microsoft's QLib, which is this incredible AI-oriented quantitative platform. It also features FinRL, a framework built specifically for deep reinforcement learning. Literally, if you want to train an AI agent to trade a portfolio the exact same way it learns to play a video game, these are the tools you use. All right, part four, proven strategies. We have our engine, but an engine is pretty much useless without fuel. Let's look at the logic and the alpha. I have to say, it is incredibly rare to find a collection of over 40 distinct, academically backed, historically back-tested strategies just freely listed in one place. But that's exactly what we have here. We aren't talking about gut feelings. These are mathematical anomalies and market behaviors documented in formal research papers. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how performance breaks down across entirely different asset classes and timeframes. Look at the sheer variety of the Sharpe ratios here. You've got an overnight seasonality strategy in cryptos pulling a fantastic 0.892 Sharpe operating intraday. But then, right below it, look at the asset growth effect for equities. It boasts a 0.835 Sharpe. And get this, it only needs rebalancing once a year. Comparing these Sharpe ratios side by side really drives the point home. You can see the massive performance of the Bitcoin and equity anomalies just towering over the traditional FX carry trade, which sits way down at a 0.254 Sharpe. The big takeaway here? As a builder, you are absolutely not boxed into one market. You can hunt for yield in crazy fast-moving digital assets or stick to a slow, steady traditional stock portfolio. The data is all right there for you to analyze. And that brings us to our final section, starting your build. We've navigated the blueprint, and now it's time for the deployment phase. Listen, if there's one major takeaway from this explainer, it's that you now possess the ultimate cheat sheet. Building a successful, systematic trading machine basically comes down to combining four pillars: deep theory from the reading list, curated data, robust frameworks, and proven alpha. By using this repository as your master index, you're literally saving yourself hundreds of hours of aimless searching. So, I'll leave you with this provocative question to chew on. What kind of systematic engine are you going to build first? Will it be a lightning-fast crypto arbitrage bot? Or maybe a slow, methodical equity portfolio optimized by machine learning? The pieces are all right there on the table. Go dive into the GitHub repository, pick your parts, and start writing that first line of code. Thanks for hanging out with me for this explainer, and happy building.